Okay, sing it.
R-E-D spells red. R-E-D spells red. Apples, tomatoes, cherries too. R-E-D spells red. B-L-U-E, B-L-U-E. That spells blue. That spells blue. That's a color of the sky. That's a color of the sea. B-L-U-E, B-L-U-E. G-R-E-E-N spells green. Like a frog or a tree. G-R-E-E-N spells green. Just like broccoli.
You want broccoli for dinner, Asher?
No!
Okay, say happy birthday to Kira again.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kira. We miss and love you.
I miss you and I love you.